What's going on, guys? It's your boy Adam, and welcome to a website that I just found out that actually exists. It's called planecrashinfo.com. You can listen to the last words of what happened, of people, and stuff like that. If you guys are squeamish of this, please. There's the door. Sorry. Wait, you're supposed to hear the last words, right? Uh Here we go. Last words. Cockpit voice recorder, air traffic control tapes. You will need an MP3 player to hear the recorder. I don't think I will. I think these are it right here. Mm. Accident pictures. So yeah, that's about it. Want to check this account out for yourself? Want to check this website out for yourself? Go right ahead. Do it at your own risk. If you aren't scared of this type of stuff or squeamish, check it out. You might actually need an MP3 player just to listen to the recordings. I don't know. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.